What is adjective? Adjective word that describes noun. Noun, for understanding adjectives, we need to revise what are nouns. So, what exactly is a noun? Noun is a word that contains the person, place, thing, or an idea. Now, what are adjectives? They describe noun. For example, in case of Sachin, what are the things or qualities that you think about Sachin Tendulkar? If I say Sachin is a good boy, Sachin is a good person, or Sachin is a best cricketer, or Sachin is a clever batsman, then good, best, clever are the things that describes Sachin as a person. In case of Taj Mahal, what are the things that you think about it? If I say that Taj Mahal is a beautiful place, or Taj Mahal is a very old place, or Taj Mahal is built of very white marbles, then beautiful, old, and white are the things that describe the Taj Mahal as a place. In case of wall, what are the qualities that you think about a wall? If I say this is a colorful wall, or this wall has 6 colors, or this is a big wall, then colorful, 6 and big are the things that describe a wall as a thing. In case of idea, what types of ideas or dream you get? If I say I got a great dream, or I got a scary dream, or I got a funny dream, then great, scary, or the funny are the things that describe an idea or dream. So, these are the 12 words that actually describe a noun. They are giving more information about noun, and so they are called adjectives. Also note that nouns or pronouns are technical same. Pronouns just replacement for noun. We had already discussed about them in previous video. We can say that adjectives or words that describe noun and pronoun both. Now let's look into the some sentence examples to make the things clear. Ram is a tall person. Here tall is a quality that describes Ram, so it is an adjective. This is a small boy. Here, with the help of small, we get to know about the size of a wall or small is an adjective. Shreya has chocolates here. We get to know the quantity of chocolates. So 5 is an adjective. Now I think it is clear what adjectives exactly are.